Hello! Welcome to our comprehensive 10-minute guide on economy driving tips. In this video, we will explore various techniques, habits, and strategies that you can adopt to maximize your fuel efficiency, save money, and minimize your environmental impact. We will cover topics such as planning your trips, maintaining your vehicle, adjusting your driving habits, and utilizing technology to optimize your fuel consumption. So, buckle up and let's dive into these essential economy driving tips. Plan your trips and combine errands. Avoid multiple short trips. Cold engines consume more fuel, so combining errands and planning your route to minimize backtracking and unnecessary mileage can significantly improve fuel efficiency. Choose the most efficient route. Opt for routes with fewer stops, less traffic, and smoother roads. Using GPS and mapping apps can help you find the most fuel-efficient route for your trip. Try to avoid rush hour. Driving during peak traffic times can lead to significant fuel waste due to idling and stop-and-go conditions. If possible, adjust your schedule to avoid heavy traffic periods. Maintain your vehicle. Regular maintenance. Keep your vehicle in top condition by following the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. Regular servicing your vehicle can prevent issues that may decrease fuel efficiency. Tire pressure. Check your tire pressure regularly and maintain the recommended level to optimize fuel efficiency. Underinflated tires can increase rolling resistance, leading to higher fuel consumption. Oil changes. Use the recommended grade of engine oil to keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Synthetic oils can improve fuel economy and provide better protection for your engine. Replace air filters. A clean air filter allows your engine to breathe better, which can improve fuel economy. Clogged air filters can decrease your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency. Adopt efficient driving habits. Accelerate smoothly. Gradual acceleration uses less fuel than rapid, jerky movements. By avoiding aggressive acceleration, you can save fuel and reduce wear on your engine and transmission. Maintain a steady speed. Constantly changing speeds consumes more fuel. Use cruise control where possible to maintain a steady speed and improve fuel economy. Anticipate traffic. Look ahead and anticipate traffic flow to minimize the need for sudden acceleration or braking. By staying aware of your surroundings and adjusting your speed accordingly, you can reduce fuel consumption and improve overall safety. Coast to decelerate. Whenever possible, coast to decelerate rather than using your brakes, as it saves fuel and reduces wear on your brakes. Coasting also allows your vehicle to regain some of the energy lost during acceleration. Avoid excessive idling. Turn off your engine. If you stop for more than a minute, excluding traffic of course, turn off your engine to save fuel. Excessive idling wastes fuel and contributes to air pollution. Warm up your vehicle by driving. Modern engines don't require extended idling to warm up. Instead, start driving gently to warm up the engine and save fuel. Most engines reach their optimal operating temperature within a few minutes of driving. Minimize the use of air conditioning. Use natural ventilation. Open your windows or use your vehicle's vents to cool down the interior. This allows you to save fuel by reducing the load on your engine from the air conditioning compressor. Park in the shade. Keeping your vehicle cool reduces the need for air conditioning, which can consume a significant amount of fuel. Utilize sunshades or a window tint to further minimize heat building up inside your vehicle. Use air conditioning sparingly. Run your air conditioning only when absolutely necessary and set it to the lowest comfortable setting. When possible, use the recirculate setting to maintain a cooler cabin without overworking the air conditioning system. Reduce vehicle weight and aerodynamic drag. Remove unnecessary items. Carrying excess weight in your vehicle reduces fuel efficiency. Regularly clean out your vehicle and remove any heavy items that you don't need for your trip. Roof racks and carriers. Remove any unused roof racks or carriers to reduce aerodynamic drag and improve fuel economy. When transporting items, opt for aerodynamically designed carriers and ensure that they are securely fastened. Close your windows at high speeds. Open windows can increase drag, especially at high speeds. Close your windows and use your vehicle's vent system instead to minimize resistance and save fuel. Utilize technology to optimize fuel consumption. Apps like GasBuddy, Waze, and Google Maps can help you find the cheapest fuel prices and provide real-time traffic updates to avoid congested areas. These apps can also suggest more fuel-efficient routes and provide insights into your driving habits. Monitor your fuel consumption. Many modern vehicles have onboard fuel consumption displays that can help you monitor your fuel efficiency and adjust your driving habits accordingly. Some vehicles also include eco-driving feedback systems that provide real-time coaching to improve your driving efficiency. Install a fuel efficiency tracking device. Devices like OBD2 onboard diagnostics readers can provide detailed information on your vehicle's performance and fuel consumption. You can try to visit Teltonica website to find some of their trackers and maybe find the one you like the most. We have OBD2 devices as well. So analyzing this data can help you identify areas for improvement and track your progress over time. Choose an appropriate vehicle. Fuel efficient vehicles. Consider purchasing a vehicle with a high fuel efficiency rating, such as hybrid or electric vehicle. These vehicles can save you money on fuel costs and reduce your environmental impact. Downsizing. If you don't need a large vehicle, opt for a smaller, lighter model with better fuel economy. Compact cars and hatchbacks are often more fuel efficient than larger sedans, SUVs, or trucks. Gearing. Vehicles with manual transmissions or advanced automatic transmissions can often achieve better fuel economy due to their more efficient gearing. Selecting a vehicle with appropriate gearing can help you maximize your fuel efficiency. Drive at full efficient speeds. Optimal speeds. Most vehicles achieve their best fuel efficiency between 45 to 60 miles per hour or from 72 to 97 kilometers per hour. Driving within this range can help you maximize your fuel economy. Avoid excessive speeding. Fuel consumption increases significantly at higher speeds due to increased air resistance. Reducing your speed by a few miles per hour can lead to noticeable fuel savings. Use your vehicle's overdrive gears. Overdrive gears reduce engine RPM at higher speeds, which can help save fuel. Check your owner's manual to see if your vehicle is equipped with overdrive and learn how to use it effectively. Educate yourself and share your knowledge. Stay informed, keep up to date with the latest fuel-saving technologies and strategies by researching online, attending workshops, or participating in fuel efficiency programs. Share your knowledge, Help others improve their fuel efficiency by sharing your experiences and tips. Encourage friends, family, and co-workers to adopt fuel-saving habits and create a community of eco-conscious drivers. By implementing these economy driving tips, you can significantly improve your vehicle's fuel efficiency, save money on fuel costs, and reduce your environmental impact. Remember that consistency is key. Practice these tips regularly to make them second nature. In no time, you will see the positive effects on your wallet and environment. So go ahead and start applying these tips today and enjoy the benefits.